What are you girls doing?
Filling it up?
Filling up the water bucket?
Whoa, that looks like a bubble bath.
July 19th, 2014. We got big girls playing with the water. All wet. It's fun. It's warm out. It's summer.
Let me get it up. So cold.
Are you guys freezing now?
Yeah. Can we please have some tea after this?
Some tea?
Yeah.
Some hot tea?
Yeah. Rose. Right there.
Right there. Rosie's turn to get in.
So cold, especially my legs.
Ooh, are you cold? Ah!
Rosie, get ready to get wet.
Ah!
My turn to get wet. Yeah. Oh, that is fun and cold. Cold. My turn.
All right, we're gonna do it again. Hi.
Turn it off! It's overflowing!
Woo! We are soaking wet. You know what? After this, what we're gonna do?
What?
Go in the warm bath. That's a good idea.
Tea.
Okay. Whoa! Look at Clara. You're overflowing it. Rosie's turn.
My legs feel numb.
Yeah, I bet that water is ice cold. It's cold. It's really cold. What's that from, Claire? It's cold. Burr. I wish I had Burr. I wish I wasn't there.
You know what?
Okay, yeah. She might get onto that now. That's a good point.
My feet are freezing.
Ooh, is that cold, Rose? Is that cold, Rose?
Now it's time for your treatment. Come stand over here.
It's cold. It's cold.
Stand over. Yeah. You want some? My turn.
Ah! All right.
Who do you think is colder?
Probably Rosie. She doesn't weigh that much.
Cold. No, I'm really cold. My legs are really numb.
I'm sure they are, but she's got no fat on her whatsoever. She's really tiny. I love you, Rose. I love you. I love you.
Stand back, Rosalie.
Bye-bye. Having fun.